Hey, what's going on, guys? Parker Chmiel here. I just want to tell you the story of how Daniel Chou saved my entire business. I started affiliate marketing back in early 2021, and I'd seen Daniel on a bunch of different platforms. He was promoting a couple different products that I was promoting, and I'd always looked at him from afar and always thought, man, this guy knows what he's doing. He would get, 2, 3 high-paying commissions per day, and I really admired what he did, but I never interacted with him before. A few months ago, I almost quit my affiliate marketing business. I had gone for 6 months with no results. I was frustrated, I was sad, I was just angry at the world. And I saw Daniel promoting a brand new product, so I reached out to see what it was all about. Daniel told me that he was promoting this brand new product, it's revolutionary, and I had to get in on it, and he would coach me one-on-one if I joined the program. I decided to do it, and I decided to join Daniel in this new program and see what it was all about, and also get that one-on-one coaching that I wanted from him. Since I started, Daniel's been doing live trainings every single week, answering all my questions, and even helped close a sale for me. And he's helped me make $4K in the last 2 weeks in this new program because of the training that he provided and the thing that he did for me. If you guys get a chance to work with Daniel, I highly recommend it. He saved my entire affiliate marketing business. I was literally days away from quitting, and I put my faith in him, and he delivered. I want to take my business to 6 figures this year, and I'm very confident Daniel will help me get there.